It's almost fall here in northern Minnesota, which means that my apple tree is in full production mode. We have so many apples. There's more in the refrigerator, but some of the apples that got picked are a little underripe. That means it's also time to make apple crumble. So let's make it together. So the great thing about this is it is the best natural air freshener, especially in the fall. Smells awesome. It's going to be super hot, but let's see how it turned out. A little hot. Amazing. I would serve it with vanilla bean ice cream. So let me know if you try it.